Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to use this door dimensioning tool that I created. Now, based on, I think it was one of our shop drawing meetings, we kind of, I think it was James, we determined that this is how we want our dimensions to look like. So I designed a tool, so when you select the door, it creates dimensions like this. So one thing about this tool is that the WW door family has to be up to date for it to work. But once you load that in your project or you reload it, all you need to do is you need to click on DDT right here, and then you can select up to two, or you can select the multiple actually. You can select as many as you want, and then finish, and then it'll make the dimensions.